Power off and unplug your unit. Wait at least 1 hour for the capacitors to discharge. Use a 2.0mm hex key to remove the top screw containing the ground wire and set aside the hex nut. Continue removing the second top screw and the remaining 5 bottom screws containing the back panel. Press down on the release and remove the air tube. Unscrew the quick release on the power wire. Remove it by clipping the cable tie and cutting the Teflon tape. Carefully release the wire and the silicone from the terminal. Repeat the process with the blue ground. Clip the cable ties containing the water tubing. Free the tube by carefully removing the water tubing on either end. By using a wrench or an 8mm hex key, remove the U-bolts mounting the tube. Remove the old tube from the rubber holders. Place the new tube into the holders. Orient the tube so that the terminals face forward and adjust the holders to align with the holes on the case. Before securing, shift the tube so it's approximately a finger's width from the left side of the case. Be sure that the aperture doesn't go past the hole on the case. Reattach the bolts and secure the tube. Connect the water tubing to both ends of the tube. Use long cable ties to ensure that the tubing won't extend into the cutting area. Slide the silicone tubing back over the cleaned off red wire. Tightly wrap the exposed wire around the lead. Use a foot of Teflon tape and wrap it around the neck of the tube. Tightly wrap one end of the Teflon tape several times around the electrode. Wrap the second end around the electrode in the opposite direction. Knot the tape to secure it and trim the excess. Cover the connection with the silicone tubing and fill with a silicone sealant. You can add a small zip tie to secure the tube as the silicone is setting. Tightly wrap the exposed wire from the ground to the lead. Secure the connection with the Teflon tape. Remove the excess. After the silicone is dried, add a small cable tie to secure the red power wire. Reattach the connector. Press down and reattach the air hose. Rotate the panel upwards and secure with screws. Begin with the longest screw. Before placing, ensure the ground has a solid connection with the case by sanding away any excess paint. Use this to connect the ground wire with the hex nut. Note that the nuts on the case are adjustable. Use the tracks to position them and secure in place.